Yeah, I'm going to show you how to create a connection to Slack at a project and at a system level. So if we go to, let's go back here to Jira, and then if you go to projects, and then here we have our demo project, click on that. Then you'll see when you go inside a project on the menu, there will be a menu item Slack integration. And then I have two options. You can see all the channels you've connected at a project level. You can also see all the channels in Slack you connected at an issue level. Here's one that we set up in a previous video. So you can see a summary of all these. You could edit them and delete them. But going back to seeing how to create a new project channel, you click Create here. And this is very similar to how you create a notification at an issue level, except there's a couple things that are different. So one, you'll notice here we have a filters tab, which we did not have at an issue level. And that's because this allows us to filter down to which specific issues within this project we would like to be relevant and watched for this connection to this channel. So first, it defaults to no filter, so it's going to send notifications to this particular Slack channel for all issues within this project. And another option is a basic filter, so only matching issues are sent. So here, if we say select all on priority, then all issues in this project that have the highest high, medium, low, and lowest priority will be monitored, and the relevant events, when they're activated, will kick off a notification to that Slack channel. Again, you can do this by priority, resolution, status type, assignee, and reporter. And then the third option here is advanced JQL filter. So for anyone that's familiar with JQL in Jira, this allows you to do something kind of similar to SQL, in that you can do, with the Jira query language, you can do more advanced searches, refining to finding a specific set of issues that are needed for your use case. So here, only matching issues are sent. So in this search, we could type in a custom JQL statement, and then the issues that are returned for that JQL are the ones for which notifications would be sent to our Slack channel. So for this video purpose, I'll do a select all on these priority levels, and leave it at that. The rest here, events, is the same as you saw on the issue level. You can select all or none. So if you go none, you could select the specific types of events that you want to activate a notification to Slack. Otherwise, you can just select all. There's a couple options here. If you don't want these notifications to also be sent to your system channels, you could tick this box. And another one is force all notifications to this channel regardless of issue channel settings. This essentially overrides the settings that you may have below for individual issues. And then on the channel tab, you can create a new channel. Again, you could search and point to an existing channel. You could select a direct conversation. You can set the channel topic, and if you want to pull in some specific Slack users at this time, you could put a couple names here so they're aware that this is where this conversation is going around this project. Then you just click Create, and once you do that, you'll see we have a new project demo channel that's been created here. We can always go back in to edit it here and change any of those settings, or click the X to remove it. And then if we go over to Slack, you'll see there is now a new channel, project demo. So now we can start to have that information flowing between this project and that particular Slack channel.